This is an unboxing and first impression video for the TubShroom Hair Catcher. One day, I saw an advertisement online about this product and decided to give it a try. The instructions printed on it are very detailed and informative. Let's open it up and see what's inside. The product comes with the main hair catcher unit and 3 extra adapters for different drain sizes. I purchased this new catcher because I felt my old one wasn't catching all the hair. Some hair would bypass the catcher through the gap it rested on. Hair is very hard, if not impossible, to dissolve. Even though I use BioClean, a great product that eats away grease in the drain, it can't eat away the hair, and it recently caused a drain to clog. I've never used this product before, but I think it will work. I like how the adapter fits snugly into the drain opening, leaving no gap for hair to escape into my drain. I'll do a follow-up video about a week or 2 later to see how it performs. I hope you like my video. Please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing for more practical how-to and product peek videos. Bye.